The old Ford Capri, a classic icon of the 20th century. The Ford Capri, often referred to as the European Mustang, is one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Produced by Ford of Europe, it became a symbol of style and performance in the late 20th century. Designed as an affordable sports coupe, it attracted a broad audience looking for performance, practicality, and a dash of glamour. Introduction to the Ford Capri. The Ford Capri was introduced in January 1969 at the Brussels Motor Show. It was developed as a European counterpart to the wildly successful Ford Mustang in the United States. Ford aimed to replicate the Mustang's formula of stylish design, customization options, and affordability for European consumers. Over its production life, 3 generations of the Capri were released, spanning from 1969 to 1986. First generation 1969-1974, the original and iconic. The first generation Capri, known as the MK1, was an immediate success. It featured a sleek, fastback design with long, flowing lines reminiscent of American muscle cars. Key features included a long hood, short rear deck, and prominent chrome bumpers. Engine options. Ford offered a wide range of engines, starting from a modest 1.3L inline-4 to the powerful 3.0L V6 in the Capri 3000 GT. This diversity allowed buyers to choose between affordability and performance. Customization. The Capri was highly customizable, with numerous trim levels, paint options, and accessories. Performance. Models like the 2600 rupees, equipped with a 2.6L V6 engine, showcased the Capri's racing pedigree, dominating circuits like the European Touring Car Championship. Second generation 1974-1978 improved practicality. The second generation Capri, or MK2, introduced significant design changes. Ford aimed to make the Capri more practical while retaining its sporty appeal. Design updates. The MK2 featured a hatchback rear end, improving cargo space and usability. The body became slightly larger, and the interior offered more comfort and advanced features. Engine choices. Engine options were similar to the MK1 but with improvements in power and efficiency. The 3.0L V6 remained the flagship engine. Luxury additions. Higher-end models included features such as wood-trimmed dashboards, upgraded upholstery, and advanced sound systems. Popularity. The MK2 was less sporty but appealed to a broader audience, particularly families looking for a stylish yet functional car. Third generation 1978-1986, the final evolution. The MK3 Capri returned to a more aggressive, sporty aesthetic. It was essentially a heavily updated MK2 with sharper lines and improved aerodynamics. Styling. The MK3 introduced quad headlights, a sleeker grille, and a revised rear end. It looked modern and performance-oriented, aligning with the tastes of the late 1970s and 1980s. Performance models. Capri 2.8 injection. This model featured a fuel-injected 2.8L V6 engine, delivering impressive performance and becoming a favorite among enthusiasts. Capri Turbo. A limited number of turbocharged Capris were produced, offering even greater speed and exclusivity. Legacy. Despite its improvements, sales began to decline as hot hatches like the Volkswagen Golf GTI dominated the market. Ford eventually ceased Capri production in 1986. Ford Capri in motorsports. The Capri made a name for itself on the track, particularly in touring car racing. The RS2600 and later 3100 rupees models were highly successful in the European Touring Car Championship, establishing the Capri as a serious contender in motorsports. Cultural impact and legacy. The Ford Capri became a cultural icon, often featured in films and television shows. Its sporty design, affordability, and performance made it a dream car for many during the 1970s and 1980s. Today, the Capri is a sought-after classic, cherished by enthusiasts and collectors. Its retro design and historical significance ensure its enduring popularity in the classic car market. The Ford Capri remains one of Ford's most celebrated models, a testament to the brand's ability to create accessible performance cars. From its stylish beginnings in 1969 to its final production in 1986, the Capri captured the imagination of millions. Whether as a track star or a daily driver, it left an indelible mark on automotive history.